Hello everyone, this is Satvik, and in this video we'll discuss about a cool OSINT tool. So without getting any delay, let's dive into the video. First of all, really thank you guys for all your support. I think now my channel had surpassed over 2700 plus subscribers, and I would really thank everyone for all the support you had done. And one problem is most of you are posting your doubts in the comment section, like you are pasting out the errors that you are obtaining, and sometimes YouTube removes them, and I can't see them. So the best way in order to get your doubt solved is to check out the Discord. So Discord is a community, or it is like a channel like Telegram or anything like that. You can post your questions there and you can get your doubts solved. And also, if you want to connect to me personally, the LinkedIn and Twitter accounts links are in the description below, so do check them out. So the tool that we're going to discuss in today's video is called as Profiler. So this tool is such a good tool, and all the credit goes to the developer of this tool. So it is Roger Smith. Okay, so this tool tries to find out all the accounts of of a person, of any username you provide, and also the emails. It tries to find out the emails, as well as it is going to check whether that particular email is breached or not, right? So this tool is been for a while, and you can see this has like lot of lot of folks and stuff. And the good thing is this is a Python module. So if you are looking forward to develop some tools with the help of this module, you can go ahead and do that, right? So the installation is and the prerequisites are really low, because you just need to have a Python 3, and you can do this on any operating system. It could be on Windows or anything else. Make sure you have Python 3 installed on your machine, and installation is pretty simple. So I'm going to use Kali Linux because that's where most people in cyber security use. Correct me if I'm wrong, and I'm going to hit enter. As always, make sure you have your Python 3 installed as well. So the command is simple: apt install python 3 -pip. If you are not a sudo or root user, provide sudo in the front as well, and you are done. So you can simply type uh, profiler hyphen help. So I used this tool previously as well, right? So you can see if your tool is perfectly installed, then you can see you can run an option like hyphen help. I provided an extra argument, and you can see you can try to find out all the arguments that this particular tool is being provided. And there are only limited options for this tool. You can provide the profile name, and you can get a report of all the details that you are obtaining, and then you are done. Okay, so let's go back to the profile page, and you can see what are all the features it is going to have. So it is going to look into the domains. Okay, so let's think you provided a name, and it is going to check whether there are any registered domains with that particular name. It is going to look into some social services, right? It is going to look into the music platforms, programming stuff, and various kinds of stuff, which I shouldn't provide because YouTube sucks. So you can see it is trying to find out various possible information regarding this particular profile name. Okay, it is going to check out whether the particular user is registered on any of these particular platforms. So we'll go ahead. So I'm going to do this attack on myself as well. uh, so -p, and I'm going to provide my name. Okay, so let me hit enter. So you can provide your name in any format. There is no absolute thing like you should only have only one word. You can provide his full name. So it is going to try to find out the information. And here you can see the separator. As we had provided the more number of arguments here, it is going to ask whether you can take a dot example like sai.satvik or sai-satvik or sai_satvik. So I'll go with the first one, or you can simply hit space for every option, and so that you can set the multiple options. So space is an argument. Okay, so if you hit space, it's going to unselect, or you can select everything. And I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to look out for all the possible information regarding this particular person, Sai Satvik, that is me. Let me hit enter, and now you can see out all the options that you can look for. So you can see there are CTF platforms. Let's check whether there are anything. You can look into the entertainment, like if you want any option, you can simply hit space. If you don't want, you can simply hit space as well. You can see there are various forms, platforms, about me, SlideShare, WordPress. I'm going to look into all these things. Let's see what are all the possible information that is going to scrape for me. So there are something as well here. You can do check that out. Repel it, Facebook, Instagram, and I think those are those are more as of now. And let me, after selecting all the options through the help of hitting space, hit enter. So now we can see it is looking for me in these all these platforms. It is definitely going to take some time, and the reason why I am showcasing this particular tool is this tool is a huge tool, right? Because you just need to provide a name, like a possible name of a person, or you can provide the full name of a person, and it is going to look out for all the platforms available. And sometimes you might not get the useful reports, but sometimes you will definitely get something useful, so that you can, as in the process of information gathering in the ethical hacking stage, you can try to obtain some information. So this is a coolest OSINT tool, which you can put only a few effort, and you can see there are several people with the name Sai Satvik, but there is a website called as About Me. So I'm going to copy this link address. So this website, like this is like a profile kind of website. I created this back then, and I haven't expected that this particular tool will obtain this thing. You can see it found out me, and see, I'm not saying that this particular tool will obtain almost all the possible information, but it is trying to find out the information. So let's think we got this thing. Let me hit on read my blog. You can see what are information that is being provided. There are nothing much. So it reflected me to a page, another page, and again there are some options. You can look into them. Like if you find one thing, you can go and find out various other possible information as well, right? So if you're not following me, do follow me on Twitter as well, and LinkedIn and stuff. So see, the only thing we found here is simply a page, like an about me page, and you got all my Twitter as well as the LinkedIn accounts. Isn't that cool? Yes. So that's the reason why I recommended this tool. And not only this tool, any tool, you will not find out all the information. You might find out something, but you need to take that particular thing from there to the next level. Okay. And now you can see there is something on buy me a coffee as well. I'm not having that. It could be some other Satvik. It is also looking for the domains that are possible. So there would be someone who is having their own domain, like a page or anything like that. You can see that as well. Some WordPress websites here. So it is going to take some time, but trust me, this tool is going to work like a charm. And you can see it tried to find out all the possible emails, right? sai@gmail.com, sai.satvik@gmail.com, and being frank, these are not my emails. Don't mail to them. And you can also see these emails are safe from any breaches. So if there is any particular mail that got breached, then there is good amount of chances that you can go into you can go and try to find out that particular breached results. And it is not finding out anything on Dailymotion. You can see there are something on Steam. So Steam is, if you are familiar, it's a gaming kind of application where you can buy. It is like a store for games. You can go and try to get that, some of them. Okay, so there are something like from Linktree as well. So Linktree is place where you can put out all your links. See, if you try to find out something from Linktree, then you had you had a lot of luck, man, because in Linktree you try to provide all the possible social media accounts and stuff. So if you try to find something like that from the Linktree, and you are successful, right? So it is going to take some time as usual, but yep, you can you can add this particular thing into your what you call into the process of OSINT. Okay, while you are looking for any person, like you can try to find out any missing people as well through the help of this. So yep, you can see it found out something from repel.it. So you can do check them out, but most of them are not mine. Okay, so that is it, guys, I think, for this video. And this is going to take some time. definitely this is going to take some time, as I had provided various platforms. And really thank you guys for all your support. It is going to, I think you're killing it. Okay, and you can also see some Instagram accounts with this particular name. Yep. So I think that would be fine for today for this video. And really thank you guys for all your support and love. And you can do post your suggestions or anything like that in the link in the Google Docs link in the description below. Okay, so if you really like this video, make sure you like it and do share with your friends so that this content could reach more people. And this is Satvik signing off, and I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you.